Hello guys, welcome to the full stack web development course where you will be able to build a full stack application like a Stack Overflow clone at the end of this course. So as we discussed in the introduction video, our first lecture is all about HTML, but before getting to that, we will be discussing about a basic thing which every web developer should be aware of, which is nothing but how the web works. Have you ever wondered how the web actually works or thought of it? To understand that, we will head to the browser like Safari and we will be just entering www.facebook.com, something like this, and which actually returns a nice beautiful web page to us. So what actually happened inside? How do we even get this web page? So here we have two roles to play. One is the client, which is our browser, and the second thing is the server, which is nothing but a computer which runs the server program daily. So our client sends a request to the server, with which a server responds to a request with a message. That request is called a HTTP request, and the response is nothing but a HTTP response. This is how the client and the server are allowed to communicate. So, if we notice the URL, here is something extra which is nothing but the HTTPS. What this HTTP means? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is an application layer protocol using which you can share hypermedia such as HTML, through which you can share any data like fonts, text, images, videos, voice messages, anything you want. It is designed to establish a connection between client and the server. So the messages which we receive from the server as a response are formatted based on this protocol. You may notice this HTTPS. This S stands for encryption, HTTP plus encryption. So, but how the browser actually displays the web page? What is in the response from the server? The response from the server contains the HTML document of the web page. The HTML document is returned by the server which matches the exact URL which we have entered in the browser. Our browser constructs a DOM, which means a document object model, from that HTML document. That DOM contains objects, text, images, videos, and so on. So these objects are the building blocks of the web page. So guys, we will learn about DOM in the upcoming lectures of this course. So that's it for this little lecture. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.